Big changes are coming to Apple's iPhone lineup in 2025, and one of them might surprise you. That's right, the iPhone 17 Plus might be the next casualty, and if leaks are to be believed, Apple could kill it off entirely. But why? In this video, we'll break down the real reason behind this bold move, what Apple might replace it with, and how this affects your upgrade plans. The iPhone Plus models were introduced as a way to offer big screen, lower price iPhones for people who didn't want to go pro. But let's face it, they've never really taken off. iPhone 14 Plus and 15 Plus had lackluster sales, often being outsold by both the base models and the Pro Max. Why? Simple, the iPhone Plus offers a larger display but no major performance bump, no extra camera lens, and no flagship features. It sits in an awkward middle ground, and Apple knows it. According to multiple analysts including Ross Young and Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is planning a major shakeup for the iPhone 17 lineup. Here's what we expect: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and a completely new model possibly replacing the Plus. Some reports call it the iPhone 17 Slim, a redesigned model with a thinner chassis, 6.6-inch display, and higher price point than the standard 17. Basically, it could become a lighter, sleeker option that feels premium, without going fully pro. Apple needs to create clear separation in its lineup, and the Plus never quite nailed that. The Slim, on the other hand, could appeal to those who want a large screen without the bulk, offer a premium design like titanium edges or frosted glass, possibly introduce new AI features or better thermals for the A18 chip, and even undercut the Pro Max in price. Basically, instead of a featureless big phone, Apple gives us a stylish, middle-tier model that feels like a flagship. So should you wait for this new iPhone 17 Slim, or even consider grabbing a 15 Plus now while it's still on shelves? Here's the bottom line: if you want pro features, wait for the 17 Pro or Pro Max. If you want value, the regular 17 or 17e will be killer this year. But if you're in the market for something big, stylish, and slightly more affordable, the rumored Slim model could be perfect. Just don't expect the Plus to survive past 2025. What do you think? Should Apple kill off the iPhone Plus? Would you buy a thinner, lighter iPhone Slim if it came with better features? Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for daily deep dives, iPhone 17 leaks, and smart tech breakdowns.